Is the Kraken real and living in Antarctica? If conspiracy theorists are to be believed, then yes, Google Earth has led to more than just the average person being able to view the world from the comfort of their living room. It has led to all kinds of discoveries and theories. The most recent theory being bandied about is by UFO Sighting Daily's founder Scott Waring. He believes this image from Google Earth to be a 60-foot giant squid, also known as the legendary Kraken. This massive mystery creature is just off the coast of Antarctica near Deception Island, which is perfect since telling people this blob is a kraken is most likely a lie. According to deep-sea biologist Andrew David Thaler, an actual scientist, the massive creature on Google Earth is actually a rock, sail rock specifically. So it probably could sink ships like the ones in ancient lore, but with modern radar, I think most sailing vessels will be able to avoid crashing into this rock. But who knows? Maybe this rock is just the Kraken in disguise. I'm Keri Lumm with Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.